So in this video, Ford Focus 1.5 TDCi 2015 model, says Mark 3.5. Now in this car, your rear light is on. I've got my boot open. That's your normal nighttime running light, right? So that's on, and also you've got an additional tiny little one just there, and that's equally as bright if you ask me, but it's small. I've looked at the obvious places like Halfords to find out which light bulb it is, but they haven't got it. So on the right side, likewise that's on, but this one's not on. So sorry, that one there. So I need to take this off and try and get at it basically, and try and get a new bulb. Well, this is the back of the wagon or box version opened. There's a little panel here. A tool. Trim tool, should have said. There's a little gap. Pop it in. It should come off like that. Oh, there it is. Okay. So inside looks like that, and you can see that thing there, and this one connects to one of the bulbs, but on the left side connects to this bulb, the one you normally change, but the right hand side is inaccessible. So I'm thinking take this off. Hope you can all see that. I'll try long nose ply without any tape round it. Oh, okay. I see a star-shaped screw right there. Well, I mean, there's a Torx. Let's have a look. Why that is, I don't know. See that? Right there. It should be able to be removed by hand. So I'm going to revert back to the long nose plier. There we go. Okay, I was just reluctant to. There is a lot of plastic there. There is a lot of plastic on this nut. Unlikely a snap, but I was gonna. So it looks like that. So on this side, you can see there's a little latch there. Pull on that, get the light on. Okay. Right. There should be nothing holding it in place apart from that one. That should come with it. Whoop. So that one comes off. This one, I think I'm going to leave on. This one I'll leave on. See that? Give that little push. I pushed it on there. So, cast you in shadow a little bit. Gentle case of tug tug, tug tug. Trim tool, trim tool. Maybe worth probably being at a different angle, very gently. Let's try some wiggle power. This inside bit is loose. There's one with a nut, plastic nut, and one little clip here, not a clip, it just points in, and one about here in the corner. So this one's the one that's giving me trouble. I didn't mean to do that. Make sure you've got something to catch it. It just fell straight on the floor. And do learn from my mistakes. I always keep my mistakes in my videos, so you should see it. It's probably chipped just there. There's the light bulb I want. That one there. Okay, and I'm going to undo that. So this one stays with it. It's a good thing I didn't try and undo it. So if you want to take this bulb off, the main rear bulb, we get that in camera, the main rear bulb, let's have a look. Twist, remove. Alright. And this one, in it goes, and then twist. Alright, so I need to go away, get one of these bulbs which has blown. Right, thanks for watching. Put a cushion underneath to catch it. Don't know why I did. And thanks for watching. So I'm going to show you that once more. I forgot to mention the reverse light bulb. I'm prepared for that drop to, you know, destroy your bulb. Really, it's not meant to take impacts like that. That one's gone. So the reverse one, same thing. Reverse light. Yeah, it looks okay. So pretty simple electronics, but a bit of a chore. So here's the reverse side. This is what it looks like, and it goes on like that. Alright. Alright, actually that little side light rear, I guess, is 501 W5W, is one of these little ones, and I think it's actually a good idea for me to do like a bulb check on every one of them, actually, because I might need this information myself. So this is the reverse. And I had a look at Halfords. This bulb was about £3.50, £2.50 or £3, this one, and I will check, and it pulls in and out like so. See that? That's the reverse. It goes in like that. Goes in like that. The tail light, normal running tail light, not brake light. Brake lights are here, I think, if I remember rightly. There's this kind of, I remember, oh yeah, twist it, didn't I? Same as the other one. Okay. See that? Single with a bayonet end. Now at Halfords they were saying, oh, you know, they were selling this light with a double filament in it. This one is almost like the fog light. Where's the fog light? I can't remember. Where is that, the fog light? No, that is the fog light. Sorry, that is the fog light. The fog light is this one. It's like a heavy duty single. I think that's about £3.50 at Halfords. You can get more expensive ones and cheaper ones. Up to you what you want to spend. It goes in there, clicks in like that. Alright, and I've already showed you this 501. Let me install this 501 light bulb, 25% longer, and I've got to test all the others, fog and reverse